Hello everyone. So yeah, we have solved these previous questions on the topic IUPAC naming in the previous video, and this one is the part two. We have solved few questions, and remaining questions we'll be solving in this particular video. So these are the questions I have explained you the priority order of functional group. You just look into this once, and yeah, I have already discussed all these questions. If you haven't seen that particular video, I'll give the link in the description box. You can just check that out. So yeah, let's start from over here. This question. So let me draw it here. This is nitro group, and here chlorine, and here it is methyl group CH3. So if you see over here once, this priority order, here nitro group is having least priority then halides, right? So what you can do, you can give the numbering. So here I am giving the numbering from methyl group. Let's say for example I am giving from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the sum of the locants? I mean sum of the numbers of the locants. 1 plus 2 plus 4, right? Which is 7. And let's say for example you are giving numbering from this chlorine. Okay. And 1, 2. I mean let me give it a different color so it will be clear for you. And I'm trying all the possibilities because you might not get any doubt while solving these questions. Okay. So let's give it over here. We have seen, right? Chlorine will be, as compared to nitro group, chlorine will be highest priority. So you might think, let's give like this 4, 5, 6. But here, I hope you can able to see these things. Here with white, what is the numbering comes on chlorine first? 1. Then on nitro it is 3, and on methyl it is 6. So which is 9, 10. So this is a higher priority group, right? Or else one more order that you can think of is this one. Let me give it the blue color. So you might think to give a numbering like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this blue color wala. Now just count the sum. 1 plus methyl group is at second position, and nitro group is at fifth position. Here it is coming 8. So which one is least? This 7 is least, right? So we will prefer this order. So that's why I have given this order first. 1 on this methyl group, and second position for chlorine, and fourth position for nitro. So this order is correct. Green color wala order. Okay. So this order is preferred rather than this, according to that lowest locant rule. Okay. So don't get confused. You just see the numbering according to the green color. So where is that methyl group? First we'll write chloro because C comes first, then M, right? So where is that chlorine group? 2 chloro. And where is that methyl group? 1 methyl, right? 1 methyl. And you can write it as, where is that nitro group? 4. 4 nitro benzene. So you can check the options over here. So option 2 is the correct one. 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitrobenzene. And you can check other options too, even though it's wrong. So you just see. So I have told you every possibility of the numbering. Why we have preferred only this also I have explained you, because of the lowest locant rule we have preferred this numbering. Okay. I hope it's clear for you. Yeah, let's move to the next question. This question, it's easy. We can just give numbering from any way we know acid gets the first highest priority than alcohol. So we'll give numbering from here itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you'll write? You can write 3 hydroxy, and this is 5 carbons. 5 carbons means pent. So 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl. On fourth carbon we have methyl group. So 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl pentanoic acid. So option C is correct. So you can just check that out. 3 hydroxy, 4 methyl and pentanoic acid. This is really simple topic. So that's why I hope you won't skip this one. If you solve these previous year questions, this will be more than enough. Yeah. Here we have this double bond and halogen, right? As I have told you before, if you double bond gets higher priority than this. What? Then, sorry, sweet. Yeah, here double bonds gets higher priority than the, so here double bond gets higher priority than Roman. So we'll give numbering from here because we need to select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. If you see, if you give numbering to this carbon, here we'll get only 4-member ring. Here we'll get only 4-member chain, right? But if you give from to here 4, and this will be 5. So here we are getting 5-member chain. So that's why it is long. We will select the longest chain. So now you can simply write the product. So bromo, B comes first. So we will write 4 bromo. Only 4 bromo which is there in option D. So option D will be correct. 4 bromo. 3 on third carbon 1 methyl group is there. So 3 methyl, which in main chain is having 5 carbons. So pen 3 methyl pent 2 in. Okay. So option D is the correct one. So I hope you have understood this one also. And the next one is this. It is really simple. Here, from where you will give numbering. Obviously, W1 should get least priority. Least numbering, not least priority. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So, what if you gave like this from here? Let me select another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here with blue color, like what are the sum of the substituent ka number? 3. Ethyl, this is ethyl group, this is methyl group, right? 3 plus methyl group is getting 4 plus, and alkene also getting the 4 thing, 4 only. Anyway, we have to give priority to double bond only. I'm just telling you why. This is how much? 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, right? And here, if you do according to the green color wala numbering, what is this? Like alkene gets second position, and this methyl group gets a third position, and this one gets a fourth position. So 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the least number rather than 11. So we'll prefer this order. So how can you write the name now? So we need to write ethyl first because E comes first. So 4 ethyl and 3 methyl. There are 6 carbons, so hex 2 in. So option D is correct. 4 methyl, 3 ethyl, hex 2 in. And you can check here they have given 3 methyl. They have given the like numbering from here. You have seen if you give numbering from here, this carbon, we are getting 11. So we'll prefer this order only. So this one is option wrong. And 4 diethyl, there are no diethyl. They didn't consider this as a whole carbon chain only. But we need to select the what? We need to select highest, longest parent chain. So this is also not correct. And this one also for methyl they have given again. They took a different order. Yeah, option D is the correct answer for this. So I hope you are seeing these are all previous year questions only. So we have solved these. Now this one. Generally this group is called epoxy. Okay. And there is the thing in organic chemistry, opening of epoxides. Opening of epoxides. I thought I have already created a video on this. Like we'll open this epoxide, then we'll get this dihydroxyl. OH will be added on the OH will be there on the antiposition. This can be done in both like acidic medium and then basic medium. So if you want, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a detailed video on this particular topic. Even there is one video in this channel, so you can check that out or else. Okay. So I have told you. So you just give numbering from here. So it is 1 to epoxy. how many carbons are there? 3 carbons, so it is a propane. So option D is correct. 1, 2, epoxy and propane. Thus, simple. And again here one more. So whenever a double bond, triple bond comes, I have already explained you the conditions where you need to give the priority to double bond. Mostly we'll give priority to double bond, but there are uh, there are one or two cases where we'll prefer triple bond. Okay, but here we'll give from over here itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why? Because I'll tell you. So you can see the sum. Here double bond is getting second position and triple bond is getting fourth. Alright. So what is the sum? 6. And if you give numbering from here, from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the number? I mean, what is the number coming on alkyne? Third. This is getting third, right? 3. And then 5. Here we are getting 8, right? So least one is what? 6. So we'll prefer this order rather than blue color wala. So we will write the product according to this numbering, which is green color one. And one more thing, they are mentioning E and Z. What is E and Z? See, these are like cis and trans, but when the groups are different, let's say for example, here we have this A, B, CD. We have 4 different groups. So what we have to do, it means we have to give priority according to their atomic numbers or atomic weights, you can say. Let's say for example, this one A is having more atomic weight. It will get a first priority, then it will get a second priority. And here also we need to compare these two groups. So let's say for example, this is not a carbon. Let's take E. This is just a group that I have mentioned. So here, let's say this one. So let's say this one is highest priority and this one is least priority. So highest priority groups, you just see one of the thing, like see highest priority group or else just check for lowest priority group. So here highest priority group on are on the same side. So that's why this the configuration will be Z. And if it is like this, like A, B, C, D. I mean now highest priority groups are on opposite side. That's why the configuration is E. So this is like a cis and this is like a trans. Okay, fine. So here the thing is that here also you can give the priority to these two carbons. What will be the priority? Let me change the color. Yeah. So these two anyway carbon it is CH3 methyl group and this is just a hydrogen. So highest priority this and this is the second priority. Obviously here this whole group is the first priority and this hydrogen is second priority. So highest priority groups are on opposite side. This configuration is E. Okay. So which one is the correct option? You can just eliminate these two options. These are not Z configuration. And 2 heptane. How many carbons are there? 6, 7 carbons means hept only. And here they have given we are preferring this green color wala like numbering. Don't get confused over here. I'm not considering this blue color one. Okay, let me write it with this only. Okay, here 2 heptane. Yeah, 1, 2. Carbon is getting second position according to this green color one or numbering, right? So E 2 heptane 4 and this is the correct answer. And here if you see, here we are getting 5. Like if we give numbering according to the blue color one, we are getting this. But we need to give priority to this double bond rather than triple bond because here we are getting the least number according to the lowest broken pull. Okay, option A is the correct one. I hope you have understood what is E configuration and what is that. Okay, yeah, let's solve this one. See, neo group means it like carbon which attached to 3, not 3, like this, some sort of like this. This group is called neo. Okay. So here what they are asking, the IUPAC name of neopentane. Pentane means 5 carbons will be there. So anyway, you just make it like this. All remaining are CH3 groups. So it is having 5 carbons, and this is the neopentane. Okay, how can you write the IUPAC name? We just give numbering from here. And then this is 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. That's simple, right? 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. Bus. This is simple question they have asked in 2009. Okay. So I'm trying to cover all the questions so that don't need to get you don't need to get confused in anywhere. Okay. This is how we'll be solving even more questions. Like I'll try to come up with different topics and one by one. This is just a starting of GOC. Then we will go to like what is that? Isomerism is there, and like a few topics like aromaticity. This is also there, and overall GOC I'll try to complete it, and then comes to this reaction mechanisms like hydrocarbons, alkyl halides, alcohols, phenols, ethers, carboxylic acids. All these I'll cover. So just stay tuned with this channel, and yeah, the only one thing that you can do for me is just to subscribe this channel. And I won't ask generally to subscribe this channel, but if you think it is helping you, then you can do that, right? For me at least, that thing you can do. Okay. Yeah. Now what is it? Is the simplest question. We can see from here. Where is that first slide? I've already shown you, right, the order, priority order. They might have given the COOH, SO3H, and the C double bond ONH2 and aldehyde. Then yeah, they might have given this one first. Carboxylic acid will get highest priority, then sulfonic acid, then amide, and then aldehyde. So this is how you can just check this option. Where is that one? Where is that one? Let me check it once. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So COH, then SO3H, then C double bond NH2, then CHO. So this one is correct. So you can check it. Sulfonic acid, acid will get a more priority than sulfonic acid. So this option is wrong. And obviously this one is the wrong only because acid get first priority. And here also acid get first priority. Here it is last. So yeah, you can eliminate the options or else you can just simply select the thing. Okay. And now one more question. So this is also a simple question only. You just try to solve this question once. I'll discuss it in a while. So I hope you have solved it. Yeah, let's do it. So let's try to give numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the sum of the numbers of the locants? So here ethyl group. There's one ethyl group and two methyl groups. So 4 plus 4, right? 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 we are getting according to this. So let's try to give it from here. Let's see what we'll get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the sum? 4 methyl group is getting 4. So 4 plus 4 plus, and the ethyl group is getting 5. So here it is 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, right? So we'll prefer this order rather than this. Here you can just check it. We'll prefer this green color one. Okay. So here according to this, first we have to write ethyl. Okay. This is 3 ethyl and 4 comma 4 dimethyl. How many carbons are there? 7. So heptane. Bus simple. First option 3 ethyl. Okay. 4 comma 4 dimethyl heptane. It is not 1 comma 1 they have we have to select the longest chain, but they didn't select the longest chain over here. And here also 4 here it is wrong. This one also wrong. Yeah, this is the correct option. And yeah, one more. Let's try to solve this question also. I hope you are solving with me. If you think this video is so slow, then you can just watch it in 2x speed, or else you can also watch it in 4x speed. Okay, if you have premium. So obviously we'll give from here only priority because double bond is there at the same time chlorine also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here how you'll write the name? 3 bromo. Bromo will write first because B comes first, then C. 3 bromo, 1 chloro, cyclohexene. Bus. Simple. First option seems correct. 3 bromo, 1 chloro, cyclohexene. Hexene, because anyway it is getting first priority, so you don't need to mention 1 in, or else you can also write it like x 1 in. Okay, here they have written like that. 2 bromo, they took 2 bromo, 6 chloro, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. How come they got 6? 1 2 3 4 5. I mean, this is so wrong. Okay, this one also wrong. This one, 1 bromo, 3 chloro, 1 2 3. But here they have given like, if you give numbering from here from bromine, double bond is getting second position, but they didn't even mention the 2 in. But anyway, this one is the correct order of giving numbering, and this is the right option. Okay, and here obviously we'll start with alcohol only. It will get first priority. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I will write the name. 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3 dimethyl and 1 cyclohexanol. See, here we are mentioning it as we are treating it as the highest priority, that's why we are adding it in the suffix. So first option is correct. 3 comma 3 dimethyl, 1 cyclohexanol. Hexanol because it is a 6-membered carbon and it is cyclic, that's why cyclohexanol. And this one, these 3 options are remaining just wrong. Okay, you can just check it out. Here they gave priority to this methyl group rather than OH. That's why it's wrong. And here they have given hydroxy. You don't need, as it is a first highest priority, you don't need to write it like a hydroxy. If it is not a main priority group, or if it act like a locant or substance, then we need to add it in the prefix like hydroxy. But here we don't, it is a highest priority group, so we need to add it in the suffix at hexanol. Okay, 1 comma 1 dimethyl again. Here they have given priority to methyl groups, so that's why these are galat. Okay, so yeah, one more question. Let's see. Let me try to draw. Whenever if they give like this, you better to draw on paper again. CH3 two. I mean, they have mentioned CH3 taken twice, so 2 CH3 groups are there. It is so simple. See now. See, whatever, if it seems like complicated, you make it simple. Bus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what is this? 3 methyl and 2 butanone. Simple, right? So which one is the option? Option C is correct. It seems like 3 methyl. On third carbon we have methyl group, and this is what? Keto group. So as it is acting like a highest priority group in this compound, so we'll add the suffix which is own, right? If it is act like a substituent or locant, we'll add what we'll add? Oxo. Okay, to butanone. Simple, because 4 carbons, that's why butanone. Okay, this question you just try to solve once again. I'll give time for you. Yeah, let's. They are asking wrong IUPAC name. Just take care of this wrong and write, because you might be in a hurry to write the exam. You might not read the question properly. If you don't read the question properly, you won't get. I mean, you will be doing silly mistakes. Okay. So here they have given ethyl butanate. So here it is like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O CH2 CH. Yeah, it's fine. It's correct only. It seems 1, 2. I mean, mm, this is ethyl group, right? And this is, I mean, if you consider this whole group, 4 carbons are this, but that's why this is ethyl butanoate. Yeah, this is fine. This is correct only. And here we'll prefer the aldehyde group as a, we'll give highest priority to aldehyde. So we'll give numbering from here. This will be 3 methyl. 4 carbons are there, so but. And this is aldehyde. So last Al will come, butanol. Okay, this one also correct. And here we'll give, obviously we'll give priority to OH only. So we'll give numbering from here. It should be 3 methyl, not 2 methyl. They have given order like this. So they have given order like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here the order is wrong because alcohol should get highest priority rather than the alkyl group. So it should be 3 methyl 2 butanol. Okay, this one is correct and this one is wrong. And here we need to give priority again to this ketone group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, you will get this ketone group 3 only if you give like this also. And if you give from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So wherever you give, this one is getting main ketone group is getting 3 only. So it's better to give from here because here methyl group is getting least prior, I mean least number, which is 2 rather than 4. Okay, that's why it is 2 methyl, 2 methyl and 3 pentanone. This is also correct. So option C is the correct option because they have asked for wrong IUPAC name. So yeah, I hope you have understood all these questions. If you have any doubt in any question, if I made any mistake, you just let me know in the comment section. Okay, we will learn together. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. I hope it really helps you people. And yeah, that's it. And I'll be making videos on, again, I've told you, right, I'll be making videos on PYQs only because this is the need, there is a need to solve PYQs because you will understand what type of questions they are asking actually. But like completing the syllabus is another part, and doing PYQs is the another thing. So after completing the syllabus, you have to solve the PYQs. That is the thing that can improve your score or improve your percentile. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. Let's meet in my next video. Till then, just be happy, take care of yourself, and be kind. Bye.